What if your diet could become your strongest ally in protecting yourself from HPV? The human papillomavirus, or HPV, is the most common sexually transmitted infection in the world, affecting millions of people globally. While many immune systems manage to fight it off, some cases can lead to more concerning health problems if left unchecked. Since ancient times, civilizations around the globe have turned to nature for answers. The Greeks prized herbal remedies, while traditional Chinese medicine has long emphasized foods rich in healing properties. These age-old practices now find support in modern science, which shows us that certain vitamins and antioxidants can do wonders in protecting cellular health and enhancing immune response. Strengthening your immune system is not just important, it's vital. Before we dive into specific solutions, let's understand the science behind antioxidants. Picture this. Every single day, our bodies face an onslaught of free radicals, unstable molecules that are byproducts of environmental toxins, stress, and even processed foods. Left unchecked, these free radicals damage cells, weakening immunity and leaving us susceptible to infections like HPV. But fear not. Antioxidants act as your body's natural defenders, neutralizing these harmful molecules. The best part? Nature has provided a vibrant spectrum of antioxidant-rich foods for us to enjoy. Think blueberries, packed with powerful compounds, pomegranates, historically known as a symbol of health, and greens like spinach, brimming with nutrients. Even carrots, rich in beta-carotene, contribute to cellular repair and immunity. And let's not forget ancient remedies like green tea and turmeric. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that not only protects against oxidative stress, but also holds remarkable immune-boosting properties. Similarly, turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, isn't just anti-inflammatory, it helps your cells recover and thrive. A daily brew of green tea with a sprinkle of turmeric can provide your system with an easy boost. Now let's talk about vitamins, particularly the ones you simply can't do without. First up, vitamin B12 and folic acid, often called the building blocks of cellular function. Together, they help repair cells and support the production of immune-critical red and white blood cells. They're easy to find in foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fortified grains. Next is vitamin C, a powerhouse for fighting infections. Not only does it boost white blood cell production, but it also strengthens your immune system's response to potential threats. Oranges, bell peppers, and even strawberries are excellent sources to keep in your diet. Of course, protecting yourself isn't just about what you add, it's also about what you remove. Say goodbye to highly processed foods filled with inflammatory additives. These can harm the delicate balance of your immune functions. A diet rooted in nature is your best bet. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense, and it craves consistency. By embracing a diet rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins, you empower your cells to perform at their best, naturally reducing the risks that HPV poses. So let's take action. Start with that smoothie, add some greens, or replace just one processed snack with a nutrient-packed alternative each day. Together, we'll unlock nature's secrets for a healthier, happier future. And for more natural health tips, make sure you're following the Herbal Doctor. Together, we'll unlock nature's secrets for a healthier, happier future.